Okay, so I've got the OBD2 tester in the car. I want to see if the O2 thing comes up. I've got it set to ignition on. I'm going to do the same thing that I did last time. Right, opening communications, Bluetooth, interface connected, protocol automatic, reading vehicle information. Right, I'm in. So hit the diagnostics, reading the permanent codes. There are no pending trouble codes. Okay, so let's go back. Let's go to the dashboard. So the MAF is reading 0. The O2 1 sensor is showing 0. Again, I'm not sure if that's right or wrong. Everything seems to be okay. All right, so now let's start the engine up on the thing. Oops. Right. So it's 1200s. It's going down because it's revving high, so it's going to be around 2. Initial thoughts, the car seems fine. It doesn't seem to be too bad. As far as the idle speed doesn't feel rough or anything. Okay, the revs are coming down 900s, and so is the MAF. So we know that the MAF is working. It's quite hot in here. Okay, it's coming down between 700 and 800, so that's probably okay. MAF is a 0.47. That sensor is still at 1. I don't know why. Maybe it needs to heat up. Maybe it needs to heat up. I don't know. Okay, so let's take it up to 1500. So we're at about 1500, 1200, 1500, and the MAF has gone up. The O2 sensor is at 81. O1 sensor is still at 0. Let's try 2500. The engine is still cold. You can see there, it's in the blue. 2300, the MAF is going up. So I know that the MAF is working. I don't have to replace the MAF. Could it do with cleaning? Not sure. O2 sensor 2 is fluctuating. O2 sensor 1 is still on 0. I want to get the engine up to temperature. Temperature is slightly going up. Okay, so the temperature of the engine is going up now. It's gone past 100. Although the on-screen on the dashboard says 70-ish. Okay, so the temperature is going up. Everything seems to be okay except this O2, the O2 sensor.
I like this because it shows me exactly what's happening when I need it to see it. So for example, I can tell exactly what the operating temperature is at. 116 degrees Fahrenheit. The O2 sensor 1 is still not showing anything. I don't know what it means by readiness standard none, but I'm getting greens on everything. Okay.
So I don't know if you would say the engine temperature is up to operating, but it's at 129 degrees. So temperature goes up with the when it goes up, the fan should kick in. Maybe we'll wait till the fan kicks in. Engine temperature is definitely going up, 156. Although this display shows only 70 degrees. The display on the dash is probably not fantastically accurate. (158 degrees). So still nothing on sensor 1, sensor 2 is fluctuating. I want to really wait to hear the fan coming on. I'm eating a biscuit at the moment. Still nothing. I'm not sure what temperature the fan kicks in at.
Munching on a chocolate cookie. Come on, fan, kick in. The O2 sensor is definitely working. I have to say that I think the engine is at operating temperature, but why the display on the dash only shows 70? Mind it's 70 degrees, is it reading something different? It's reading 70 degrees centigrade, this is in Fahrenheit. Let's get it out. I'm probably going to have to do a bit of editing on this. Or speed it up. Yeah, I'll probably speed it up. It's idling nicely. It's really interesting that the engine temperature is definitely showing high on this. This doesn't seem to be going up on the dash. I mean, this has to be engine at operating temperature. This has to be like 190 degrees. It must be. I don't know why the fan isn't kicked in. Maybe it needs to get a lot hotter. Let's try giving it some revs. Well, mums and dads, boys and girls, kids at home in the gallery, I have no idea why the O2 sensor one is showing as 0, why the engine temperature got up is at 190 and the fan isn't kicking in. Don't know. So I'm going to check the codes. There shouldn't be any codes in here. Let's shut the engine off. I don't want it to blow up and burn so much gas.
Engine is definitely up to temperature, but it's not. I don't know. I don't know how much I can trust this this thing. It's not too bad, but I don't know how much I can trust it. So diagnostics, there's still no trouble codes. Okay, actually, let's disconnect and. Now I've got the P0171. I think it's the O2 sensor. I think the O2 sensor is stuck.